Right guys, video cut off, don't know why, so need to upload this one again. Just getting there with the snow. I think it's ice. Slightly ice there, Link, so you're still recording it yet. So, still shoveling. Gone all good. So putting it on the stairs just now, and then I'll clear the stairs. But we want to clear the doorway first, so this is a snowstorm in Scotland. That's what we call the video. Well, second half of the video. Got my hood up because it's absolutely ice cold out here. So yeah, let's see how many views I can get on this video and everything. Even if it's not a lot, I'll be posting, hopefully posting it up on Facebook. So yeah, so then most people know about me. So this is the only video I've uploaded. There's going to be another one soon. That's when I get a hold of it in Link, because things pretty bad just now. Not in a bad way, good way. With snow and everything. I like the snow, nobody else does. Mark F, Exploring with Mark F, he put a video of the snow as well, which was, you can see it, but he does, I'm guessing, I'm sure he told me he does daily, like, Sunday vlogs or something. Oh, look at this, slide. Whee! Oh god, ouch, oh, damn it, look at that. Not good quality of video just now because it's like snowing. So yeah, look at this guys. So I'm going to call this part 2 of the video. So yeah, I'll probably video again when it's over. Catch you for now.